Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's recipe is a super easy one. Today we are going to be making trail mix. To make trail mix, you can pretty much use anything you have around your house, like pretzels, goldfish, dried fruits, nuts, cereal, chocolate chips, animal crackers, popcorn, little marshmallows, or chocolate-covered raisins.
Making trail mix couldn't be easier. All you do is combine your ingredients into a bowl. Today, we're using pretzels, little graham crackers that look like teddy bears, cereal. These are O cereals, but you can use any kind of cereal that you have at home that your family says is okay to use. Those square cheese crackers. This is a dried fruit mix. It looks like pineapple and raisins and banana chips. This is very good to add to your trail mix. You should always have some fruit in there. My favorite thing, dark chocolate chips. And then you could add a little box of raisins, or from a big box if you have at home. We're just gonna sprinkle those in. Once your ingredients are all in the bowl, you just stir it up. Stir it up. So it's all mixed together. And then you can just take a little bowl and serve yourself or your friends. It's a great, quick snack idea. That's it for today. Look for us next week on the Westerly Library website.